to the tires, SAE 649 torque. That's a 3-valve right there. Let's go look at the engine. Hey, what's up everybody? Brent for Brenspeed again. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. That was an awesome dyno pull. 3-valve Mustang, 700 of the tires. Wow, you can't beat that. Foundation of Brenspeed B326. It's a very popular long block. Ported cylinder heads, big cams. On top of that is our Hurricane Supercharger. So what's a Hurricane? Give us a call, I'll tell you all about it, or listen to this. It's a Roush TVS 2.3 that's been ported. We call it the Hurricane. It's designed specifically for our engine, make really big power on a 3-valve. If you already have, like this is a 427R, or you have a 3-valve Mustang that's running the TVS 2.3 liter supercharger, we can do that. You can actually send it in, we can get done, or you can bring your car in, we can do it. But that's the Hurricane Supercharger right there. This 3-valve also has larger headers, so it's got the 1 3/4 inch cooks on it. Magnum transmission, hold the power, as well as a built rear end. It's a very fast street car. It does a lot of highway kicks, pulls like a monster. So there you have it, 700 real horsepower out of a 3-valve on a Brenspeed B326 with a little 2.3 liter supercharger. Sick torque, 649. I'm gonna put links in the description about all these products. You can go into that, check it out. You want something like this built? Simple, email quote@brenspeed.com or call us 574-594-9559. And don't forget, subscribe, tons of new videos coming out. Did a lot over the last couple weeks, and then hit your little notify icon every time I release a new video. Ding, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching.